everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Simona and I usually make Decoden cases on this channel on my live streams, but today I am showing you a video of my studio, what my setup looks like, what stuff I use, materials, as well as like setup like shelves and like decorations and things. So I'm going to have everything linked down below, and I'm also going to be like flashing pictures of what this stuff looks like, either whether it's from Amazon, mostly Amazon, Walmart, Miniature Suite, etc. So it will all be linked down below, but you can also see it on the screen. It's gonna be cute, it's gonna be fun. I haven't edited this yet, so here we are. Anywho, my shop will reopen for commissions October 2021. If you're seeing this after October 2021, commissions are open and you can order any custom phone case for whatever device you have. I can do anything. This is what mine looks like at the moment. Ooh, Anywho, what else? Hi, how are you guys? Honestly, on this channel, I haven't been posting any videos that I've edited because I do not have time. But currently, I'm taking a little bit of a break of visiting family, and I am quarantining, so I got a lot of time on my hands. So I'm editing this video for you guys. You know, here on YouTube, I usually put my live streams, which are also on Twitch and on TikTok. So sorry about not having like content like edited and made, but I do not got time. But I have time today. So here we are. There we go. Here it is. So well, welcome if this is your first time seeing my face. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're following. All of my social medias are all SimonaJulieta, just like it is here on YouTube, but everything is linked in my Linktree, and so are my glasses. If you like these pair of peepers right here that are very dirty, but they are prescription, I have them linked in my Linktree. It is not an affiliate link, it's like a referral link. I get a discount, you get a discount. I don't know. But if you Google heart-shaped prescription glasses, these come up, so it's okay. No pressure there. That's it. Follow me on all the things. Enjoy. I'll be back to say bye.
Alright, here's my studio. We're gonna start over here right at the beginning. We have some lovely shelves that keep up most of my like decoration supplies. I'll go over what those are in a little bit. We walk a little forward and we have my live streaming desk / work desk with my pretty little background that I use when I live stream. I always keep that up. I just turn on and off the lights whenever I need. These are the supplies that I use while I'm live streaming, so these are the supplies that I immediately use. And as I said, you know, computer, desk, general things. I have this lovely poster that I got printed at FedEx, which I use for conventions, and as I said, on these shelves, just general, like all the supplies that I need to prepare the cases to be made. At the bottom here I have some clear cases as well as mailers, and here are all the colored pieces that I use on the cases. I have them separated by warm tones, cool tones, black and white, and then pink in their own drawer. So those were the cool tones. We have black and white and pink. So all of these pieces, I get them from Amazon, eBay, other Etsy shops, just wherever I can find them. And as I said, I organize them by color. So it's a little chaotic, but I know where things are. Okay. And as I said, clear cases, I purchase those on eBay in bulk. And then if it's a specific one, I'll order it from Amazon. Up there I have some supplies for my button machine, and over here I have keychains that have characters on them. So like I have a little bag of all Pokemon, you know, charms and stuff. And as I said, if I need to, I'll buy more. These are the molds for the pop sockets and the lace for the cases. So here on the live stream desk, I keep more of the supplies that I use while live streaming. So for example, these flat back pearls I purchased from Amazon, and I've purchased from Miniature Suite as well in the past. Here I have my makeup palettes. I do my makeup on the TikTok live stream before I start the real stream. And over here is more supplies. We have some 2-part resin, and we have some biodegradable icing bags, some Pop Socket bases, as well as some glitter. And on this side I have mica pigments, alcohol inks, and acrylic inks. This bin, I don't usually keep it here, I keep it underneath this cart, but these are the fabric paints that I use for the little drippies on the side of the cases. This is the Michaels Decoden whipped clay that I use for the cases, and I also have the stuff from Miniature Suite. Here it is. This is also whipped clay, and I again have everything linked in the bottom. The neon lights are from Amazon, and then the fairy lights are from Walmart. I couldn't find the exact fairy lights, but it's like a fairy light curtain, you know what I mean. And I have some old purses, decorations, pretty stuff. My makeup is also there, and there's my Alpha backpack, the gem. Here's a closer look at the lights and the sound panels, and oh, what's this? What's that? Oh, there he is. It's the Godzilla that watches over all of us while I live stream. Doing a great job. And that's it. These are my business cards from Visprint.
Alright, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you learned something new. And as I said before, follow me on all my social medias. I'm SimonaJulieta on everything. It's linked in my link tree below, as well as are these laces. They're beautiful and they're wonderful, and I think everybody should have them. Again, commissions will reopen October 2021. If it's after October 2021, guess what? Commissions are open. You can order your own custom case for whatever device you have, whatever theme you want it to be. I also do tablets, iPads, picture frames now, mirrors, and all that good stuff. On TikTok is where I post everything. Instagram is like the forgotten child. Let's just put like TikTok is to Twitch as Instagram is to YouTube. So fortunately YouTube, you guys are on the same rank as Instagram. I'm not posting here much, but I still appreciate you. So anywho, I will see you on my next live stream. I go live every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. EST. Might be earlier from now, I don't know. We'll see. Tuesdays and Thursdays, definitely. I'll see you guys later. Yes. I hope you're having a great time. We're all getting ready for spooky season. It's great.